I received my Touch XL mirror and Bluetooth from Vanity Impressions company. It cost about $45. I paid $1 extra for the shipping insurance. I think it took about 2.5 weeks to receive. The ease of angling it, so horizontal, vertical position. I like that it has the Bluetooth feature. I did have a little trouble at first trying to figure out how to, what host to connect it to, because it wasn't clear. It just said DC 10, I think it was DC 103. I expected it to say Vanity Impressions or something, but got that figured out and it worked fine. There is not a wall adapter that comes with it, so you have your regular USB cord adapter and then you have to buy a separate wall adapter, which I already had anyway. It's chargeable, so I'm not sure how long it goes for. I charged it for just a little bit and I was able to use it to put my makeup on. It is very lightweight, a little scary. I mean, it feels like if you mishandle it, it might crack. But so overall, I think it was a good purchase.